Paver stones are a great option for driveways because they are durable and have a variety of colors and textures to choose from. They can also be used to create patterns and designs in the driveway. These stones are easy to install and require little maintenance. You can find these stones in a variety of colors and styles to match your home's exterior, and they are durable enough to withstand heavy traffic. Moreover, they are also relatively easy to repair if they become damaged. A driveway is one of the most important parts of your home. It's the first thing guests see when they arrive, and it's a place where you park your car every day. That's why it's important to choose the right stones for your driveway. Pavers are a good choice for driveways because they're durable and long-lasting. They last longer than concrete, asphalt, or any other material used for driveways. That's why you'll see them in many hotels and restaurants. They're also a good choice because they're easy to install, and they look great. They come in many different shapes and sizes, so you can find the right sets of stones for your driveway.